biggest nutrition questions is not what you eat, but when you eat. That is the idea behind time-restricted feeding, also called time-restricted eating. Instead of eating from early morning until late at night, you keep your meals inside a shorter daily window, usually around 8 to 10 hours. And for the rest of the day, your body gets a break. Sounds simple, right? And maybe that is exactly why this idea has caught so much attention. Your body runs on circadian rhythms, an internal clock that helps regulate sleep, hormones, appetite, digestion, and metabolism. So when you eat can matter more than most people realize. And that is where this gets interesting. For some people, limiting the eating window may help improve blood sugar control, body weight, and body fat. But here is the honest part. This is promising, but it is not magic. It is not some miracle shortcut. And it is not a free pass to eat anything you want inside a smaller window. What it may be is a practical structure. For some people, counting hours feels easier than counting every calorie. Easier to follow, easier to remember, easier to fit into daily life. And honestly, that may be part of its real power. Still, this approach is not for everyone. If you use insulin, take certain diabetes medications, or have a history of eating disorders, this is something to approach carefully, and ideally with medical guidance. So maybe the real takeaway is simple. Your body likes rhythm, and time-restricted feeding is really an attempt to bring that rhythm back to eating. Not through hype, not through extreme rules, but through timing. And that simple shift may matter more than we once thought.